Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the projectile motion. First we discuss the definition. When an object is thrown into the air with some initial speed, it follow a curved path due to gravity. This motion is called projectile motion and the object is called a projectile. Now we discuss it example. First example is a bowler throwing a cricket ball toward the batsman. A basket ball player shooting a ball toward the basket. Now we discuss the forces acting on the projectile. The projectile moves under the influence of earth gravity. Its motion can be divided into two components: horizontal motion along x-axis. This motion remain constant because no force is acting in this direction. Vertical motion along y-axis. This changes due to the downward force of gravity. Horizontal and vertical motion is independent of one another. Projectile motion has a combination of horizontal motion with constant velocity, vertical motion with constant acceleration,